All right, what's going on, guys? Hey, thanks for coming back to the channel. So I got some great news today. It's actually better news for my dad because we've been using his his Wolverine X4 850, and he had the Sunf Bighorn knockoff tires, which were great. I mean, they're great in the mud, but the problem is like that tread wear is real uneven. So people treat these like Jeeps or Broncos. I don't know. I mean, I know it's great. Like they always advertise and going over sand dunes and stuff. Around this area especially, a lot of people, we run them on roads and stuff. So to give you an idea about the tires, these are the Bighorn, Sunf Bighorn knockoffs he had. And I mean, they were a great tire, but look how like, they're more so uneven, like they can't even sit straight up because of the way the tread is, all right, with these lugs. So what I did, I got him some Sunf A043 tires. These are more of a road pattern. They're still aggressive enough to handle mud and everything, but the tread pattern should be a lot better on the road and also help with wear. So in the rear of the machine, he does have the Bighorn knockoffs also, because he bought these as a set, and they're not all, it's not a square setup. It was the same as the stock size on the 2018 Yamaha X4 850, but the front tires, like I said, I just showed you, are completely shot. They're horrible on the road, they're real loud. Like I said, they can't even stand straight up. So I'm hoping we're going to get these A03s installed, and hopefully that takes care of a lot of problems and stuff, and we get a lot more life out of these tires. So hey, stay tuned. All right, well, we finally got the Sunf A043 tires on the old Wolverine here, and the size I went with, it's the 26 by 9 by 12s. This isn't my machine, it's my daddy's machine, and we can only mess with it so much. So a lot of it that a lot of stuff I would like to do, I can't do to it, but it's understandable because, you know, it's not my machine. Around here anyway, a lot of people, they pretty much treat these side by sides, it's like they treat it like a Jeep. Okay, I mean, who we kidding and stuff. So you don't really need the aggressive pattern going on asphalt and the hard top, and this machine doesn't. We're not going to no Alabama mud. All right, so I'm pretty sure the tires that are on it will be fine. Now the rear tires still have a lot of tread left on them, and those are the Bighorn knockoffs. All right, and those are the 26 by 10 by 12s. All right, so like the fronts are a little wider, and we're hoping with since they're a little wider and the tread isn't as aggressive, that steering and road noise will be a lot better.